Journeying or pilgrimage can be difficult. It can be physically hard work if a pilgrim walks a long way. It can be tough terrain, involve going uphill or climbing, and it can cause blisters and painful knees if you walk for a long time, day after day after day. The weather might be harsh. Your clothes might not protect you from the weather. Pilgrimage can also be a difficult time emotionally because during reflection, people can struggle with experiences that cause them pain in their hearts, their minds, and even their souls. These internal pains can be felt just as much as the physical pains. When walking, pilgrims have some objects with them, like a first aid kit, plasters, bandages, a mobile phone to be able to call for help, and a list of local hospitals, just in case. These will help with physical injuries and ailments, but what can we carry when journeying through life to help us with our emotional concerns? Knowing who we can talk to when we are worried or concerned is really important. Sometimes it's a trusted friend, but at other times it may be helpful to talk with someone we have never met, but that we know is from a trustworthy organisation and trained to help children and young people facing emotional difficulties. Talking to someone can help us feel better, and sometimes we need to talk on a regular basis to someone to help us work through a bigger issue that we are facing. Either way, talking is a good thing to do, even if it takes a while to build up the courage to do so. Because if holding all our concerns inside can make us unhealthy, and you don't want to be unhealthy. The Bible teaches us that Jesus wants people to be physically and mentally and emotionally well, and the stories in the Bible show us that he healed lots of people, both young and old, in a variety of different ways. He wants people to experience life to the full. For Christians, their faith in Jesus supports them when facing difficulties. He is their strength, the person that they talk to or pray to, giving them comfort and hope during times of pain and darkness. So the third item to take with us on our pilgrimage is our first aid kit. If the journey of life becomes hard, who can you turn to for support? Who offers a good listening ear? And who could you recommend to a friend that might be struggling?